In today's video, we're going to go over 5 passing drills that you can utilize both for warm-ups, but also for just developing passing skills in Jiu Jitsu. And these are great whether you are a beginner or more advanced, because it's ones that you can either do as an individual, or as you start getting a little bit more advanced, you can start combining them together or applying it as you pass, and then you utilize all these different types of passing drills in the process with it. So here we go. All right, so for the first passing drill, and this is probably like day one jiu-jitsu stuff, it's pretty much knee on belly and windshield wipe to the other side. Again, you can do this in the gi, you can do this in the no gi, as you can with all these passing drills. But for this one, for the drill itself, you can either post on the person's shoulders or you can post on the mat right on either side of their head. But either way, I'm going to bring my knees together, windshield wipe to the other side, and we come off and post. And you just repeat this over and over. Simple as that. For the second drill, you're still going to do a knee on belly, but you're going to switch it to a reverse knee on belly, and then you're going to work the back step. So again, you can start knee on belly. Now you can either just start from this position and instantly go reverse, or you can do the knee pass, come over, go reverse, back step, come down to mount, and come right back up to knee on belly, windshield wipe to the other side, reverse knee on belly, back step right back into mount, and just repeat that over and over. For the third one, you can either start this with the knee on belly position or just start simply in side control. The idea, he's coming up with it, trying to look for underhooks. As he comes up, I'm going to grab the back of the shoulder. As I start pulling through, post on the head, step all the way behind the shoulder, start tucking that knee behind. My free hand's going to shoot and post on the mat, back step, come down nice and low. Again, he's immediately going to turn back into, grab the underhook, post, step over, punch, step through. And we call this one around the world. For the fourth drill, it's robot leg. So the idea, he's got the opposite leg up. I'm going to reach, grab the far side, pull myself through as I kind of knee cut over the thigh, and we step through. Again, tuck your head, pull. As you start coming through, make sure you're arching your head and trying to turn your body into a little bit. Same time, I'm pulling back on this thigh, and we just step through. Last but not least, you got the gorilla passing. Opposite hand reaches for the far knee, same side hand. You can either make a fist or palm on the mat. And ideally, you want this in one motion. But I'm just gonna come all the way around and double step. Right away, we switch, we come to the other side. So as I mentioned, those are pretty much 5 basic passing drills. However, as you get a little bit more advanced, you can start kind of mixing and matching them together and just starting to learn how to actively pass depending on how this person is reacting, and then it makes it a little bit more of a live drill in that sense. So for instance, we can simply just do the windshield wipe, pass to the other side. At some point randomly, he's going to turn up into you, and when that happens, get your underhook, post step, go all the way around to around the world, come right back up, and we can go right back to just your knee on belly. And again, maybe he turns up randomly, step, come all the way around, and we come right back up to knee on belly. Just one option. Other options that you have is you can work any sort of pass that you want, whether I want to hip in and drag the leg across, if you want to do any sort of Toriano pass. But again, I can get to like a knee on belly position, I can come all the way across, reverse, back step, pop back up, when we come back out, do the same thing again. Maybe this time though, he turns into you right away, so we step, we come all the way around, get to our crossface side control position, and we pop right back up, and we do it again. So there you have it, 5 basic passing drills that you can easily turn to become more advanced passing drills depending on your experience. So give them a shot. Again, these are ones that you will be using day one in Jiu Jitsu. So don't forget these, give them a shot, make it that they become a habit. And we'll see you next time.